Hi everyone, Beate here. I hope you all are well and you have had a wonderful Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I love you all and I wish you all the best for the new year. And now I want to share with you my purchase that I bought from the lovely Ivy. She is Ivy here on YouTube. Her name is Ivy's Shabby Crafts Cabin, and she has also Facebook channel. I will show you the links in the description box below. And I want to share this with you. It's a saving machine on a box she made. And I am so thrilled about. It's a very, very gorgeous creation she made. So wonderful laces, trims, flowers, pearls, appliques. Oh, her work is stunning. I love all the details. Look how beautiful it is. Look. So beautiful pieces of fabrics and appliques she used. Here the rhinestone, the beautiful pink flowers. Here the gorgeous silk trim ribbon, silk ribbon she used. The wonderful flowers in wonderful colors, pink, soft pink, my favorite colors. The beautiful pearl trim all around. This is a closure, and this beautiful applique here. The needle from the saving machine. Another flower, this metal piece. Oh, I am so in love. Look how gorgeous. So beautiful details. I love it. I love it so much. Look, this wonderful fabric she used with these bubbles and pink. All around the gorgeous pearl trim. Look, the rhinestone along. Very exquisitely. Look here, the beautiful metal piece with the flower and the big pearl inside. Oh, it's a gorgeous work. And the spools are the feet. This is a closure. Oh, I have forgotten to tell. This wonderful creation was packed in this beautiful fabric she gifted to me. Look, embroidery, leaves and rhinestones, this gorgeous embroidery flowers, and then, oh, I never have seen. What a wonderful fabric. Beautiful colors. I love it. I love it so much. And it's so many from this fabric. I say thank you so much, Ivy. I love it. Thank you. And this is a saving machine. Oh, I am so in love. Oh, I am thrilled. So many to look. Here another silver metal piece. All around the flowers, the wonderful pearls. And this is the box, and I can open the box. Oh, yes, here. And Ivy gifted to me. Look, the inside from the box. Wonderful papers she used. Absolutely gorgeous work. I love it. I love it so much. And she gifted to me this beautiful ribbon flowers in every colors. Blue, white, lilac, pink, blue. Look, thank you so much, Ivy. And then she made this card for me. Thank you. I will open it with you. How beautiful card. What a beautiful card. Look. Thank you. A little envelope with flowers. Wonderful colors in mint. Look how beautiful. Look, so beautiful. And inside, dear Beate, thank you so much for purchasing my Shabby chic saving machine. Best wishes, Ivy. The very best for 2020. Thank you so much. The same to you too, Ivy. Beautiful. Hi, Ivy. I love my sewing machine. It's so exquisite. I will treasure it forever. I love it. I say thank you so much for the extra gift, for the wonderful flowers, for the card you made for me, and for the gorgeous, gorgeous fabric you gifted to me. Love everything, and I love my sewing machine. Thank you. I love sewing, and this is a unique creation. I have a wonderful place for this. Thank you so much, Ivy. And ladies, thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.